Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my first ever makeup related video. And that's because in our office, since Miss Rona has entered the world, we have a lot more time on our hands, so that's why we decided to do the Getty challenge, the Getty Museum challenge, which is where you have to recreate a famous painting or picture or photography or whatever. We have been doing this, well, since the pandemic started. The first time I was nominated, I had to do Marilyn Monroe. Insert picture. And this time I have been challenged with a photograph of Pearliaison, I think her drag name is. So today I have this crazy setup with all the makeup and shit. Well, since I have to do this challenge, I thought, why not just do it in a video? I am not a makeup professional at all. I have been doing like hobby drag once or twice in my life. Just for fun, to go out to kind of change everything up. This is not professional. I have shitty products that I had since like 5 years ago. They are probably moldy and disgusting, but whatever. I'm a little bit tipsy because I need this to do this challenge, so cheers, grab a drink and watch me ruin my face. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, which I have never done before, is glue down my eyebrows, because when I did drag, don't mind this weird patch I burned myself while giving myself a perm unprofessionally. I have to glue these eyebrows down because normally when I did drag to go out, I just put on some nice, beautiful gold bronzy makeup. But this time I have to go a little bit more heavy and I have to do like really high arched brows. So first thing I'm gonna have to do is shave my stubbles. Fat baby face. We'll be right back. Bye bye. So welcome back. It has been 3 hours later. Saúde. Now I'm gonna start with my foundation. I just shaved. Now let's take this crusty ass essence. Stay all day.
Should we speak in English?
Of course.
Okay.
Gorgeous.
So trashy. Hi, welcome back to my...
Oh no, I should have put down my eyebrows first.
I'm sure you can still do that. This is so crusty, disgusts me.
Translucent powder, Well, I'm using Stay Believe, Maybelline.
Not always gotta be the expensive stuff.
Oh, gentle. Bye bye. Bye bye, pores. Pores. I have to glue down my eyebrows. First time. Okay.
Oh my god.
Gracias, mi amor.
They're not all.
Maybelline. It's coming through, Laura Lee. No trash.
Fresh from Alabama, honey. I like my man how I like my makeup. Natural, honey.
Now I'm just gonna cover the glue with some foundation. Hello.
Alright, honey. We are back. Back in the game.
Translucent powder.
Trans?
Trans.
You're being
Transphobic.
It's me and you, kiddo. Against the world.
Shit on a shingle.
Well, shit on a shingle, honey.
Scheiße, nein, ich mach das nicht mit den scheiß Augenbrauen. Ich könnte mein Make-up so schön machen. Bye!
Bye, babe.
Tried to do drag brows, didn't work. Fucked it up. Stopped it.
Now we're back. You gotta start with the...
Foundation?
No, with the gluing down first.
I'm not gonna glue it down. Shit's not working for me. Like trash.
forever staying long.
Forever cheap. Well, it's gonna end up like a normal look, like brown, bronzy, smoky eye.
Okay. Drugstore? And then just...
And a fag.
And a fucking Cartier bracelet. That brown is doo-doo brown.
That's carnival makeup. It really is.
But we make it work. Is that inspired?
So creamy. So pigmented.
So pigmented.
Ah, hier oben, hier. Unter der Brau. Das ist weiß. Ach Göttchen.
Dat is een verdammte kleine. Of ergens zit een beetje op, jongen.
Rechts. Dit wordt kampstains in.
Stay sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Maybe, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill to get my fill. Do me in the worst way. Don't let
Let's bronze the face. Contour.
Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will.
Lipstick. Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife.
Just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back.
Well, that's me with the blonde hair. And now I'm gonna try to style it. So that's what it looks like. Let's put on some rhinestones.
Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Okay, that was it for my video. I don't know, whatever. I'm drunk, so have a good night. Goodbye, sleep well, bye.
The worst way.
Okay, so that's me, that's my makeup, that's the finished look. So see you in my next one, bye.